Hey everybody, Dave here, One Mechanic, and today I have a SnapOn tool haul. Not a big tool haul. I got one thing off the truck, and it is a magnetic hanger. Part number KAHIMPC. And this is what it looks like. And the reason why I bought it is to hang my jacket on the back of my cart. I found magnets for less, except for they had a really small hook on it or a really sharp hook, where this, as you can see, is very blunt. And this is a really strong magnet. Even through the cardboard box, it was sticking to stuff. But I'll show you how it works out here in just a second. The second thing I actually got this off eBay. And this is a SnapOn 1 7/8 Crowsfoot. 1/2 inch drive. Go. So it was used. A new one is about $150, $160, and I got this off eBay for $50 shipped. As you can see, if it's been used, it hasn't been used much. It's pretty clean. A lot of these new trucks with the FDS Monroe, maybe it's the Monroe beds with the conveyors on them. To adjust the tension on them, you need an 1 7/8 wrench to break the lock nut loose, and then a socket or another wrench to actually do the adjustment. The only thing is, on the left hand side, it's right above the hydraulic system, and so you only have like maybe this much room. So I got that because on a ratchet I can do any angle on it and do it that way. So be right back, hold on. This is my tool cart, and here is that hook, and it's a heck of a hook. Be careful, don't get your finger pinched behind it. But that is what I wanted it for. And then that way I can hang my jacket on it. That way I don't have to keep walking back and forth to the locker or to the office to get my work jacket. It's now here. I will tell you that this hook on sale in the current flyer, and this is February 2022, was on sale for $66. It's not cheap, and that's like $8 or $10 off the regular price. But like I said, I've been looking for one, and it's more money than I want to spend on a hook, on a hanger, but it's doing exactly what I need it for. So I guess price outweighs need, or need outweighs price maybe, or want. But that is my SnapOn tool haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have any questions, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you want to know anything, leave me a message. Go to Instagram. I'm over there at @1_mechanic. Follow me there for daily content, almost daily content. And we'll talk to you guys later. Stay safe, be happy, be healthy. Take care. One Mechanic out. Ciao.